Hey everyone, I hope you can hear me. If you can, this will just be muted and post-edited. So, this little blog is about my dog, and here I am, so, hi guys! So here's my dog, Bunny. Her name's Bunny. She's ready, come on, ah. She'll hold the camera for a bit, ah! Here's my cat. Hi Meow. Her name's Millie. Here's Bunny, ah! Sit. Up, Bunny. Up. Must not want to play right now. She's a bit older than normal dogs, so she used to play when she was a kid a lot, so tells you something about it. She just loves when I pat her belly as well. Come here. So she's loving it. She just sits back and enjoys. There we go. Come on, up you go. She's a little bundle of joy. We just got her nails clipped. I'll show you. We got her nails clipped. Right here, they're all clipped and they're all nice. She got some needles and she was very brave, weren't you? You were very brave, yeah. Here we go. And so, yeah, this is my little dog. And I just wanted to show her. So, I'll end off on this by saying, see you guys. S-Mania, out. Look at little bunny. Look at little bunny. Ah, look at little bunny. Bunny, 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 bunny. Ah, bunny, bunny. Come here. Bunny. Bunny.